Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be preparing roast breadfruit and curry chicken back. You're just gonna see like little clipping of the curry chicken back and the breadfruit because I already prepared curry chicken in another video. So if you want to see the steps, you go over to that video and see how it is prepared. Please enjoy the video guys. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment, share out the video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. I am roasting breadfruit. They have been on the stove for about 10 minutes. I'm going to let them stay there for about an hour and they should be ready. Breadfruit is coming on nicely, people. I'm actually roasting 2 of them. Yes, they're coming on nicely. I'll be eating the breadfruit with some curry chicken back. I'll show you the final dish. People, the breadfruit seems like it is finished. This one is finished. See the steam coming out of this one. Yes, I can't wait to dig in these breadfruits. DJ and I are gonna have a ball. Guys, look at my breadfruits. Look at them. Wow. I did them on the stove. I didn't make up no fire outside. This is a new way of roasting breadfruit, people. Less stress. In the pot burning, I'll be cooking some chicken back, some curry chicken back to go with the breadfruit. Real authentic Jamaican dish. Here we have the chicken back in the pot. I burned the curry first and put it in here. I didn't go through the steps on how to season the meat and all of that because I already prepared the curry chicken. So you can go ahead and watch that video if you don't know how to prepare curry chicken. It's the same way you prepare the curry chicken back. Alright guys? Okay guys, here is the roasted breadfruit with the curry chicken back. Here we have DJ's and mine. We're about to dig in. We'll tell you how the breadfruit and chicken back taste. Yes guys, so we are tasting. What it is, DJ? You like it? DJ don't used to this, you know. But we have to do this for the people, right? Yes guys, I'm really enjoying my curry chicken back and roasted breadfruit. Yum yum. Look at DJ's mouth. Eat fast man, because they know you can't eat fast. You don't really like competition them.
I'm eating dinner.
Eating dinner? No difference. This is so good. This breadfruit is good as well. Dry and nice. All who want some, please indicate. Please comment and tell us if you want some. DJ is listening to his music while eating. DJ knows how to enjoy his own company. Let me win him with the food now. We have a challenge because the camera on DJ not eat. So it's like me end the DJ if I eat like I want to eat. You know, want it, people DJ don't want to see what I eat. And I done already, you know, on a normal day. Curry is one of his favorites. He loves stewed peas, he loves curry and fried chicken. Yes, people. This is real Jamaican food. Curry chicken back and roast breadfruit. Can't go wrong with this. And I made some drink. This is lemon with fruit punch flavor, right, DJ? And I'm supposed to eat and drink, you know, but the breadfruit then kind of dry, you know. If you want me to cook you some, just tell me. We can work something out. So the breadfruit roast good on the stove. Now if you make up no wood fire, not coal fire. You know there's something they make up. You can make up coal fire?
No.
I'm thinking that's a yes, come that buy one coal pot, you know. That's so cool, I make you up. Let's start cook out there, so let's start teach you to cook on the coal stove.
You can still do it.
Really? Alright, that's a good idea, you know, survival. You don't know what can happen in life. Although coal not cheap. Because I know coal is very expensive. So maybe the gas stove that work out cheaper. That was sweet, yo. No, sir. Me make up coal fire, so when I say my stove, cause boy, when that time I have to light the fire because back in my past, like when I was at my grandmother's and I was growing up, and so I usually love to cook. And me I cook something outside on the coal stove, and me I try to light the fire. Most time I how to ruminate. All who know kerosene oil, comment below. Use a kerosene oil to light the fire. I done mama kerosene oil in the coal pot there. But as I get older, I know that I should put little bram, you know what I mean, so?
No.
Some little fine stick, dry wood, to keep the thing ablaze, you know? I'm really enjoying this, people. Not because I cook it, but it's good. It's very good. You agree, DJ?
See.
DJ vex people because nobody watching my eat. So you eat in front of the camera to do with the party. Yep, take your hand for the table. Oh god.
Your hand is also on the table.
People then can't see it. Thirsty. People, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'm gonna allow DJ to finish eating now. Making eating food fast. So see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Big up on yourself. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please remember to do so. Hit the notification bell, right, DJ?